Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the Rolling Grill Barbecue. Hey, today we got something special. Chicken wings. But who don't like chicken wings? Ain't nobody in America don't like chicken wings. So today we're doing some party dust wings. I call them party dust because I'm using my seasoning. You can use any seasoning on these chicken wings. But the kicker is we're doing a pomegranate molasses sweet and spicy sticky wing instead of barbecue sauce, man. It's gonna be fantastic, man. So as always, you guys stay tuned. I got my favorite apron on the day, so you know we're gonna be doing some good cooking. As the apron says, cook more fast food, baby. Stay tuned. All right, it's time to start the brine. We're gonna start with 5 cups of water, measured out. We've just got it in a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag, sitting in a foil pan so that we don't make a mess. So just pour it in your bag and let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is a 1/3 cup of kosher salt, right in the bag. Step 3, RGrill Party Dust, my seasoning or any seasoning that you like. I'm gonna use about 1/3 cup. And it's going right into the bag as well. This seasoning has vinegar powder in it, so it's kind of acting like you're kind of making like an Italian dressing. Next step, step 4, olive oil. Good olive oil. Greek olive oil is really good. This one is a Whole Foods Greek olive oil. It's very good. And the same deal, about 1/3 cup. And it's going right in the bag as well. Pour it on in, get all of it. And next up, we got to stir it up. Stir it in there real good. Mix it up as best you can. All right, the next step is the chicken wings. We got about 14 chicken wings here, whole wings, tip on and everything. And we're just dropping them right in the bag. No special order, just drop them on in there. Everybody's going to get some coverage. Take your bag, crumple it all together. Try to get a little bit of the air out. Squeeze it, shake it. Do the hokey pokey, whatever you want to do, and you're good to go. Put them back in the pan, take the air out, and put them in the fridge and let them go nighty-night. And that's exactly what we did. We brined them overnight. All right. Now it's time to take it out of the brine. Just cut the bag. Cut it open. We're trying not to make a mess, of course. Take the wings, put them on a open cookie tray. And we're just going to lay them all out and let any of the juices drip to the bottom. And then we'll pat them dry. And that's basically it. This stuff is pretty self-explanatory. You got to pat it dry. You're not trying to take all the moisture, there's still oil on here as well, but still, we're going to pat it dry as best we can on both sides. And then we'll move on to the next step, which is to give it a dust of seasoning. This step, you got to season it. You don't have to cake it on there, man. Don't cake the rub on there. These wings have sat in the brine all night. No need to cake it on there. Just a nice light dusting. Finish it off with some black pepper. I love chicken wings with black pepper. And we're going to do both sides of the wings, of course. And that's basically it. Dust both sides of the wings. Same premise as I mentioned before. And that's it. Next step. All right, the next step is to light a fire. We're using oak and cherry. Good combination. We're going to burn it down. So basically in this charcoal tray, we have charcoal, but we also have wood at the bottom that we've already burnt down. We're going to throw a few pieces of oak and cherry on there, and we'll get this party started, man. It's going to be fantastic. Oak and cherry is a fantastic combination on any wings. All right. My wings are going on, baby. And I'm keeping them on the rack. There they go. We're going to cook them up. Probably about an hour and 25 minutes. I brine them so I got a little wiggle room because they're going to stay juicy. So we'll be back in about an hour and 25 minutes. All right, 30 minutes in. Let's check them out. Oh, yeah, they look good. They look good. This is just 30 minutes in. We still got probably about 45 minutes to go. Yeah, boy. Stay tuned. All right. Now it's time for the star of the show. The pomegranate molasses, sweet and sticky, glaze. This stuff is good stuff. If you can find it, I had to find it in the farmer's market. It's probably about $5 a bottle, but it's very good, man. Very good. A little bit sweet, a little bit of vinegary taste to it, but it's fantastic. And make sure if you use it, get everything out of this cup that you can. You paid a lot of money for this, so get as much out of it as you can. Don't waste a bit of it. Next is sambal, chili paste. Thai chili paste. Has garlic and chili paste flakes in there. It's really good, man. Really, really good. You can find this in probably all of your supermarkets. And I'm just going to use about a tablespoon. You know, I like mine spicy, so, you know, I may just, who cares? Let's add just a teensy bit more. And that's it. Next step is a good quality honey. This is a clover honey. And we're going to probably do about a tablespoon just to cut the sharpness of that pomegranate molasses and just to add a little bit of sweetness. We ain't trying to add too much sweetness. And that's it. And scrape it all off the spoon. Use your little whisk. Whisk it all together. And you just made love potion number 9 right there. And these are the stars of the show. Next step. All right, we just added some more charcoal. Now all we're gonna do is take these wings and turn them around. And that's it. Gonna let them finish cooking. All right, let's check it out. We're about an hour into it. Ooh, yeah, boy. They looking good, man. They looking good. They looking good. Now you gotta pinch them. Look at that. Coming through the bone. So it's time for the next step. And next step is to get them glazed up. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, we're about an hour into it. Let's put that down. Now it's time to glaze. So what I like to do is take my charcoal. I had them to the side. I'm gonna actually push them further into the grill. Because now it's time to glaze. So I want the bottom of the chicken wings to get some of this direct heat, basically. All right. We're gonna let them roll like that for about 5 minutes. Put the lid back on, and it's on and popping, baby. All right, I'm only gonna glaze 1/2 of them. I think this glaze may be a little too hot for my kids, so I'm going to glaze the right side. They sexy, man. Gotta brine your wings, man. It's just something about it, man. They just sexy, man. But anyway, let's get through it. This is our molasses, pomegranate molasses glaze. Sexy, man, sexy. I'm gonna flip these back over and just let that heat caramelize the bottom. So let's go ahead and get them flipped. Man, they smell really good. Like, for real, for real. Like, you two really gotta come out with smell-o-vision. Like, this is freaking crazy. It ain't nothing like char grilling wings, man. You can smoke them. I can finish them off on the char grill. It's just incredible. Man, look at that. Ooh, hey. And I'm just blotting it. I'm not trying to rub my rub off. Ooh, boy, sexy. And this isn't going to get gloppy like a barbecue sauce. It's really kind of thin, actually. So that's it. We're going to let them sit, glaze up, and we'll be back in a minute. All right, I forgot one final step. I'm actually working on a finishing dust for barbecue. You use a lot of finishing dusts in barbecue competition. So what I'm gonna do is just go over the wings. If you rub some of the seasoning off, just go back over it a little bit and just redust it. And that glaze gonna set it in. And it's gonna be fantastic. Stay tuned. All right, let's check them out. It's been about 5 minutes. Looking good. Let me get that camera up on it. Yes, sir. Let me turn that camera around, man, so y'all can really get up on them glazed ones. Yes, sir. They look fantastic. They smell ridiculous, man. All right, let's take them in the house. Next step is time to eat. All right, guys, there's the finished product right there. See if you can get in on that thing. Beautiful, man. So we got our pomegranate molasses, sweet and spicy sticky wings on the left, and we've got our regular party dust wings on the right. But I'm gonna do something a little different. I like to jazz it up, man. So everybody in my household loves chimichurri. I made one yesterday. So guess what? I'm gonna dress these wings out with a little bit of chimichurri. Chimichurri just adds an amazing flavor, man. So the regular wings, I'm gonna dress out with just a little bit of chimichurri. I'll put this chimichurri recipe in the description below, but it's amazing, man. Parsley, garlic. I add basil, dry basil to mine, oregano, red wine vinegar, and a few other things, man, but it's amazing. So there is the party dust wings, and then our pomegranate molasses wings. We're just gonna go back over those one last time. The sauce is already caramelized, but hey, people eat with their eyes, man. Presentation is key. Presentation is key. Wish I had some sesame seeds or some scallions, but that's it. That's it. There they are, man. We've got our party wings, man. We've got our pomegranate molasses, sweet and spicy, sticky wings. And we've got our party dust wings that we just added some chimichurri to. Y'all stay tuned. It's time for tasting. All right, guys. I want to thank y'all for hanging around with me today, man. We've got our beautiful wings here, man. Check them out. Pomegranate molasses, sweet, sticky, and spicy. And then we've got our party dust wings that we just added some beautiful chimichurri to. True crowd pleaser. Beautiful. So, man, I got to taste, man. You know I'm all about the taste test. Let's try the pomegranate molasses. That pomegranate molasses, check it out. It's got a nice punch of vinegar in it. A little bit of sweetness from the pomegranate and the honey. And it's actually not that spicy, but it's really good. Brine your wings, fellas. It's the way to go, man. Again, man, my name is Thomas, man. I'm from the RGrill Party Dust. I want to thank y'all for joining me today. Get out there and make some party wings, man. And if you can, buy some of my RGrill Party Dust. Y'all be good.